Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is mobility and immobility. The first part that we deal with the definition and its purposes of body mechanics. So the topics we are going to discuss today, the very short topic, that is introductions, definitions and purposes of body mechanics. So first of all, I would like to introduce my topic, that is body mechanics. So introductions. Individuals' ability to move freely within the environment, that is called mobility. Individuals are move freely within the environment, that is called mobility. It is fundamental to the normal daily functioning. So we all are doing movement, right? So we all are roaming in our environment. So it is our normal daily activities. We don't think it is something abnormal also. So the terms ADL, activities of daily living. What does it mean? Let's see. So these are the routine activities that we do every day without any assistance. So what are those activities we perform without any assistance? For example, we get up early in the morning, we take bath, we dress up, we eat, we go for the toilet, we go for eliminations, we go for bowel and bladder, and we go for shopping, we go for transfer the money, and these are the things. So these are the activities of daily living. So apart from these activities, we have some job related activities also. For example, you are the student, so your activities is learning. So you are the teacher, our activities is teaching, right? So these are the examples of activities of daily living, ADL. So before going to the body mechanics, we have to understand the terms what is mechanics means. So in a simple word, mechanics is the science that deals with the motions or movement. So you can see when we carry things, when we push the things, when we pull the things, so many activities we are doing, and which activities require the motions and movement, right? So these are the activities of daily living which are related to the body mechanics. Okay, next coming to the definitions of body mechanics. So let's see the definitions here. The body mechanics is the coordinated effort of musculoskeletal and nervous system to maintain the balance, postures and body alignment during lifting, moving and performing activities of daily living. So let's see here. The two system is very important, musculoskeletal system and nervous system. So these two systems are in a coordinated, and these two systems help us to maintain our posture, maintain our balance and maintain our body alignment during lifting, moving and performing of daily living activities. So next coming to the purposes of body mechanics. So number one is to maintain the balance of the body without strain. So we have to maintain the proper balance of the body during sleeping, during sitting and during standing. And the body mechanics teaches us how to maintain the balance of the body. And number second is to promote the proper physiological functioning of the body. So even the maintaining of normal physiological functioning, we have to maintain certain body mechanics. So the next number, to prevent the kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis and other deformities. So yes, these terms may be new for you, like lordosis, kyphosis and scoliosis, right? So these are the skeletal deformities, and that will formulate due to the improper body mechanics, and it may cause also other reason, or so if you want to prevent it, then you have to maintain the proper body mechanics. So coming to next number, that is point number 4, to contribute to one's beauty. So the girls, especially the girls, we want our beauty to maintain forever. So we have to send the different models, the different film star, then they have to maintain their beauty. So to maintain their beauty with proper positions, it requires the body mechanics. So otherwise it can cause kyphosis, lordosis and scoliosis and other deformities in our body. So that's all for today. I think all of you understood. Thank you and take care.